All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive with 130,000 miles, former highway patrol vehicle. Navy blue from factory, so yes, navy blue by day and black by night. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. And yes, she is road ready to go to her new home.
Daddy, my home?
Your home, yeah.
Right.
Let me stop right here. Fresh new window tint. He's got, on this one I went ahead with the 15% all around, except the windshield, 15% all around. All right. Folks, I do have my little helper here pointing out the vehicle. Whoa, careful, buddy. Okay, so just bear with me, be patient as I make my way around the vehicle. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. It is original paint, so she does have a few scratches here and there. And she does have a door ding on the driver's side door fender, which I will go ahead and point that out to you. I do have one antenna hole in the trunk. This is what came with the vehicle, so I went ahead and left that alone. Okay. Okay. Careful. I do have my my little one here running around the vehicle. So here we go. All four steel wheels, folks, are in great shape, so they are nice and shiny. With the yeah, with a good set of Goodyear Eagles winter tires on it. So if you do if you do reside in a place where there's a lot of rain or snow, that's the type of tire you guys want to have. So once again, Goodyear Eagles winter tires. Let me tell you, folks, those tires do grip. I do have a new used set of LED spotlights. They went back in place. I do have a nice clear lessons in the front. And folks, before I forget, I got to tell you, I did have the front bumper cover repainted due to sticker residue damage that was on the bumpers on the passenger side and driver's side. I couldn't get away from it, so I did have my paint crew reshoot the front bumper cover. So yes, the bumper cover looks brand new all over again. And I also had them shoot the roof because of the antenna setup on the top. I didn't like the way the setup was done, so I had my crew redone. I had my paint crew redo the roof as well. That was about it. Careful, don't pull the camera, Daddy. Folks, as far as the ding, you guys can see that right here. It's on the fender. Whatever it is, it damaged the little fender here, and he put a crease on the door right here. Let me move around. You guys can see it right there. Okay, I'm leaving the car alone the way it is. But if I need to have that taken care of, I will just go up on the price. That's not a problem. I already know how much it's gonna cost to fix. Hold on, Daddy. Daddy's recording, okay? Oh, you're coughing? Gotta give you medicine. All right, let's go inside of the car. No running, relax for a little bit, okay? Folks, I do have nice matching interior. I do have a matching rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Perfect vinyl floor. Okay, vinyl floor from factory. And as you guys can see, the rear doors were reassembled. Go home, go to your mommy. Go drink some water, please. Just walk, no running. Just go drink some agüita, okay? All right, let's get back to it. The rear doors were completely reassembled. So yes, the door lock switches, all the locking mechanism on the Chargers was reinstalled back to factory. So if you do have passengers sitting in the back seat, they will be able to exit from the vehicle. Once again, this kit is a lot more money than the Crown Victorias, and you can only buy it at a Dodge dealer, or if you get lucky, you can find it on eBay for like $350, and between $250 and $350. Folks, everything is original in the vehicle. All right. Driver's side seat is in perfect condition. Nice and comfortable. I do have a new use OEM center console. So I gave you cup holders, cigarette lighters, USB connection so you can connect to the car through your phone. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. All right. I do have 3 key fobs with the vehicle with three new batteries in them as well. Okay. Just sturdy but vinyl floor, super comfortable, very fast. This vehicle does not hesitate to pick up and go. All right, let's go ahead and fire her up.
In serious injury cases that have been fighting for our clients since 1972.
Let me clean this up here for you guys.
Your guide, your advocate, and your support system.
Vehicle does have 130,000 miles. Once again, this was a former
Get the compensation you deserve.
take-home highway patrol unit, state trooper vehicle. This was a take-home vehicle, okay? Folks, all four speakers do work.
Justice for you since 1972.
For those of you guys that are familiar with the Chargers, you can control everything from the menu screen here. It is a touch screen. You can control it from the steering wheel. It's got all the buttons here and everything that you need. Working cruise control as well. Honk works. LED do work. I do have the courtesy lights on. Glasses holder. Red LED. White LED. Manual in place. It's right there. Let's see. Super cold air conditioner, folks. Let me tell you, super cold air conditioner. There you go. Let's go to the trunk real quick. Let's go ahead and release the trunk. Am I forgetting anything else? I hope I'm not. 7th minute. The clock is ticking. So everything does work on the vehicle, guys. Once again, I set you up for success on another nice, great looking vehicle. And let me tell you, this unit right here between the Crown Victoria, this is a whole different beast, folks. A whole different beast in every way possible. This vehicle is very appealing and very intimidating going down the road. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have the aluminum slide out tray table in place. Full size spare tire. I do have a brand new battery in here as well. What you see is what you're gonna get. I'm not taking anything out. All right, so I'm leaving that for you. All right. America. Dang it, I wouldn't have it any other way. Here we go, folks. Vehicle has been detailed by my crew. They did an amazing job once again cleaning this bad boy up. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was servicing cleaned out. I do have 16 OEM irradiator and spark plugs on this bad boy. Full synthetic 520, all 7 quarts of it. Full synthetic transmission service ATF +4 by Mopar fluid and filter. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Folks, for the department, I can tell you that the water pump has already been replaced. Drive belt and tensioner also look like they have already been replaced. Brakes were around 75-80%, so I didn't have to replace any brakes on this one. She was solid, good to go. And also I do have a brand new cabin filter on this bad boy. Am I forgetting anything else? I hope not. But if I do forget something or my one minor little detail, I will post it up in my description on eBay as the vehicle is being sold. One last final look at this beauty, folks. If you are serious about buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me, email me. Let's go ahead and talk about it and see what we can do. I'm not sure how long this car is going to stick around for, guys, so you know, do your homework. And folks, I want to apologize in advance. I know that the car market prices have gone up to the roof. It's out of control right now. KBB, doesn't mean anything right now for us going to the auction, buying these vehicles at a super high price and bringing them home and trying to do what we can to get them all set up ready for you. In my case, I'm speaking for myself, I go through my cars the same way. I'm not cutting any corners, and I'm still giving you quality vehicles, quality parts, quality work. Okay? Just wanted to go ahead and throw that out there. Some of you guys have called me crazy, called me names, but you know what? Hey, if you want to buy it cheap, or if you think they're cheap, please go to the auction and you can go ahead and deal with everything. And I hope you know what you're doing, because if you're not, you're gonna be digging into your wallet, and let me tell you, it's not gonna be fun. All right, folks, thanks for watching. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing out, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. And folks, here we go. Once again, if you like what you see, do not hesitate to give me a call. All right, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great weekend out there, and take care.